Yo, hello. Today I will be doing the brand new well, not brand new, Animal Company update that I can actually catch up on since I actually have enough time and I'm actually not sick anymore. Golly, this camera's confusing. Uh, so let's go. Let's go, bro. Whiskies. Okay. There is fishing. I got like one thing, but I for. There we go. Okay, and then now boom. I think this is how you do it. This is how I saw ticks or tricks, yeah. Oh, hooked. Fight. Urgh. This is my good old fishing rod, Bessie. Bessie. Oh, Bessie, oh, Bessie, oh, Bessie. I caught a fish. I caught a disgusting fish. I caught this fish. This fish smells like my butt crack. Okay, that's kind of like overrated, but okay, man. Never flips your bit. This is gonna be small behind recording. Good old Bessie. My God, I'll trust a fishing Bessie. Look, fight. Yo. Yeah, I'm reeling in. Bro, this thing is fighting. This thing is fighting. This junk's a fighter. God darn it. Oh, yeah. I also want to do invention. I also made an invention. Let's go. I made an invention with the skeleton thingy, with the whatever it's called. Monkey. Monkey. This I call the don't have a name. But look at what it does, man. Hold on. Let me put this down real quick. What it does. You can fly. It is 15, it is ogre hand and 13 box fans and 1 ruby. Guess that's it for this update video. Bye.